Jai Hind, dear students, I am Dr. Preeti Mittal, and here we have reached to the last part of our chapter, that is cell division. In this part, we will see how the cells divide. The cells can divide by two processes, mitosis or meiosis. Mitosis is a cell division that helps in the growth, repair, as well as it is seen in asexual reproducing organisms. So, in mitosis, what happens is that a single cell divides into two daughter cells which are exactly same as that of the parent cell. Means the number of chromosomes in the daughter cell is same as that of the parent cell. So if the parent cell was having 4 chromosomes, the daughter cells formed will also be having 4 chromosomes each. And that will be exactly same as the parent cell only. From one parent cell, how many cells are formed? 2 cells are formed, and exactly they are same as that of the parent cell. So whenever we get hurt, the repair of the tissues is done. That is by the process of mitosis only. In amoeba, paramecium, that is all asexual reproducing organisms, where asexual reproduction means single parent is there and a single cell is dividing into two different cells. That is also taking place by the help of mitosis only. Meiosis cell division is required for sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, there is gamete formation. Gamete formation means in case of plants that could be pollen grains or ovum. In case of human beings that could be sperms in male and ovum in female. So the formation of gametes takes place by the process of meiosis. And in meiosis, a single cell, a single parent cell divides into 4 daughter cells, and that takes place in 2 stages. First, from parent cell, 2 cells are formed, and from every 2 cell, again 2 more cells are formed. That is a total of 4 cells are formed. It's like that. A parent cell divides into 2 daughter cells. A parent cell having 4 chromosomes divide into 2 daughter cells, each having half the number of chromosomes. And then each cell is going to divide further into 2 daughter cells each, having the same number of chromosomes. So, from one parent cell that was having 4 chromosomes, 4 daughter cells are produced that are each having half the number of chromosomes, that is 2 chromosomes in this case. So, in case of meiosis, the 4 daughter cells are formed from single parent cell, and each of the daughter cell is having half the number of chromosomes as compared to that of the parent cell. This type of division occurs only during the formation of gametes, only in sexual reproduction. So whenever sperms have to be formed, ovum has to be formed, pollen grains have to be formed in case of plants. So all that formation of those pollen grains, ovum, that will be taken by the process of meiosis. And how the number of chromosomes will be restored later on? So I told you that if we take the example of pollen grains and ovum in case of plants. So a pollen grain will be having half the number of chromosomes, and that will fuse with another ovum that is also having half the number of chromosomes, and when they fuse together, they produce a single cell that will be having the same number of chromosomes as the original parent. Okay, this process is known as fertilization, and this process of fertilization then restores the original number of chromosomes that are present in an individual. Once this single cell is formed by the process of fertilization, later on throughout the life, the organism will be performing mitosis cell division, and it will be growing by the help of mitosis. And so the number of chromosomes throughout the life will remain as the original one only. Okay, I hope you are clear with the topic. I hope you find this chapter to be interesting one. This is really very important chapter for your future exams as well. So just prepare it very well. I'll just shift to side so that you can take a screenshot if you want. That's all for today. Good day, everyone.